Hey guys, this is Billy Raines. You're at Decks and Docks, Panama City. Come on in, I got some things to show you. Hey guys, welcome to Decks and Docks in Panama. This is our Panama showroom. At our desk, we've got Roy, our inside sales associate. So he'll be over here waiting for you guys. If you don't mind, I'd like to take you on a tour of our branch. So like I said, this is our showroom. We have several different products that we want to feature and showcase. One of those is we just started carrying boat lifts. So we do have boat lifts in the yard, all the parts, the motors, the accessories that go with. After that, you can see that we have our Trex wall over here. We do offer Trex. We supply those to our contractor and residential. Again, our yard is open to the public, so you're more than welcome to come on in. We have such brands as Moisture Shield. We've got TimberTech by AZEK. If you look in the middle, we do have our Owens Corning brand, so we do feature that here. It is a very popular seller in the community with all types of jobs, whether it's residential or commercial. This product is doing outstanding for us right now. Outstanding warranty and outstanding customer satisfaction. If you head on this way, I'll show you our secondary room, and that's our fastener room. So with our fastener room, we've got everything that you need. A lot of people think that we are a lumber yard, but that's not just the case. We're a marine grade supplies company. So we've got all the product, but we've also got the fasteners as well. So you'll see in this room everything that you need from stainless steel. Those are located in our yellow bins. You'll see also hot dip galvanized, and those are in our blue bins. Whether it's carriage bolts, it's machine bolts, or it's your washers and nuts, your cut rod. We also have a selection of 316 grade. You'll see the 316 grade right here in the red bins. Also, if we don't have it in stock for you, we can make for sure that we get that. Lead times are very quick down here. We have a lot of good relationships and suppliers. We can get that to you quick with no problem. So if you would like to take a look at this room here, this is our boat supply room. We have a wide inventory of basically anything that you need for piling caps. Also too, dock cleats, any type of floating dock hardware that you may need, we can order that. We've got great selection, great inventory, and we also have really quick ship times on these things as well. Next, I'll take you out to the yard. And here at Panama, we actually have two different types of yards. We have basically our residential yard, and then we have our marine grade yard. So I'm going to show you the residential yard right behind you right here. So you can see we offer a number 2 prime yard and ground contact. This is our entire yard here. We start at 2x4x8s and we go all the way up to 2x12x24 in this yard. All right, so behind you, you're gonna see one of our guys that works in the yard. His name is Bobby. He's actually our yard foreman here. He's loading up some through flow. That's one of the things that we specialize in here, being a coastal environment. We have a lot of through flow in this area that we do as decking. It's very popular. We offer it in 2 different types of colors, in gray and also in maple. So you're just kind of spot checking a load that's fixing to go out for us this evening. So coming onto this yard, basically you're gonna start getting into our marine material. You're gonna see all of our seawall that we have. We offer many different types of seawall. We start in a light duty panel and then we go to a standard box, then we go up from there. So we've got our different treatment levels. Our first line of inventory out here, that's our 0.60 treatment level. And then we'll span down and we'll go to our 0.8, and then we'll go over to our 2.5 treatment levels. In addition to these different treatment levels in dimensional lumber, we also offer pilings. Our poles run all the way through the perimeter, all the way around the yard. We start at a 6-tip 8 pole and go to a 12-butt 40 pole in this yard. Now, if there's any special sizes or anything that you need to complete that job, say you're working in some really deep water, if you've got a special need, we can make that happen. We have tremendous resources as far as getting you what you need for your job in record time. So we're really happy about that. Behind us real quick, you'll see, take a step back for a minute. We're loading our truck for tomorrow's delivery. So we like to start out early in the morning. Our normal business hours of operation are 7 to 5, but we like to get a jump on the day. So we're naturally loading the day before. So anytime that you have your delivery called into us, we will do everything that we can to get it to you same day or next day. So if you look down here, you'll see all of our wear deck, and it does flow into some AZEK, some Moisture Shield, just like we saw in the showroom. Any type of decking that you have, whether it's a pattern that you're looking for, it's a color that you're looking for, maybe you've got to get something quick and you need a hidden fastener system and you need it in a coffee or a mocha or an espresso tone, we can get that for you. That's no problem. And we can get it in most yards, and we can cut that time in half, make for sure that we deliver that to you guys, that you're happy with the color, that you're happy with that purchase. And whether it's your first house, whether it's your, an investment for you, or it's your forever home, we've got you covered based on the look and the feel that you want to create in your backyard. So from piers to decks to docks to seawall, we've got you covered all the way through here at Decks and Docks in Panama City. All right, guys, so once again, this is Billy Raines at your Panama City location. We're about to strap the truck and get it ready for tomorrow's deliveries. Guys, if there's anything that we can do for you, any way that my team can serve you, please come on down to Decks and Docks in Panama City, and we'll make for sure you're the first priority, you have the best service, you have the best product, you have the best price, and that you keep coming back, because it's about relationships for us here in Panama City.